All right, my friends, welcome to day 2 of our writing this week. We are going to be writing to match our illustrations. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at my picture and think about what I want to write. So I have my friends here, we have an apple tree. I know I wanted to write that we found a tree with a lot of apples. So I'm going to count how many words that is. We found a tree with a lot of apples. That's 9 words. So I'm going to do 9 label lines. We found a tree with a lot of apples. And I have a period at the end. So first thing I'm going to do is write my first word. Remember, in the beginning of a sentence, we need a capital. We is a sight word. Found. A tree with, sight word, a lot of apples. All right, my friends, we found a tree with a lot of apples. So I have a capital letter, I have finger spaces between each word, and I have a period at the end, and make sure we are stretching those words, okay, my friends? Then I'm looking closely at the apples. I looked closely at each apple. That's 6 words. I looked closely at each apple. I, sight word, looked closely at each apple. I looked closely at each apple. Then I found the perfect apple. I'm gonna write, then I found the perfect apple. Then I found the perfect apple. 6 words. Then, that's a transition word. I found the perfect apple. I'm gonna leave my punctuation because I think we can use a different punctuation mark than a period. Then I found the, so many sight words, perfect apple. Then I found the perfect apple. I don't need a period, I need an exclamation mark because I'm excited. And the last thing, I reached up and picked it off the tree. I reached up and picked it off the tree. That's 9. I reached up and picked it off the tree. I reached up and picked it off the tree. All right, my friends, so now I have all my writing done for my small moment. So let's go over it. So, we found a tree with a lot of apples. I looked closely at each apple. Then I found the perfect apple. I reached up and picked it off the tree. So what we're going to do tomorrow is we are going to add some more details to our writing, okay, friends? See you tomorrow.